I have a question, and I think every human being should ask this question today. If United Nations, International Human Rights Commission, International Law, European Union, World Health Organization, if those big organizations cannot stop genocide happening front of our eyes, then why those organization? Those organization for what? Why are they spending hundreds of billions of dollars every year, our taxpayer money, for their organization? If they are good for nothing, if they cannot stop and cease fire now, then they better stop their organization. I am requesting to everyone repost this video and tag those organizations. And use hashtag ceasefire now. Shame on United Nations. Shame on European Union. Shame on international law. Shame on WHO. Shame on UNICEF. Big shame on the International Human Rights Commission. You call yourself the Human Rights Commission? You are not even capable of protecting animal rights. This is not an international organization. This is all international circus. And all the members are international jokers. Biden and Netanyahu are the ringmasters. We don't want to see your shows anymore. Stop wasting our money. You and your organization are absolutely good for nothing. We stand with Palestine, and we will stand forever. We will pray, we will protest, and fight till Palestine is free. Please share and repost this video, and keep sending shame on those organizations. Hashtag Free Palestine.